Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of modern agriculture. We'll explore 5 incredible machines that are revolutionizing farming and making it more efficient than ever. Number 5. The Overson TV10020 is a specialized snow removal machine designed for efficient and effective snow management on runways and roads. This powerful vehicle features a robust design and advanced snow clearing technology capable of handling heavy snowfalls. It utilizes a combination of a rotary snowblower and a high-capacity snowplow, ensuring thorough snow removal and excellent visibility. The machine's versatility and reliability make it essential for airport operations and municipal services in snowy regions. With its advanced engineering, the Overson TV10020 enhances safety and operational efficiency during winter conditions. Number 4. The SMFAB Listister is a sophisticated fabrication tool used in the semiconductor industry for photomask production and wafer processing. It excels in high-precision lithography, enabling the creation of intricate patterns on silicon wafers. This machine integrates advanced alignment and exposure technologies, ensuring accuracy in each layer of the fabrication process. With its user-friendly interface and automation features, the SMFAB Listister improves efficiency and reduces the potential for human error. Its reliability and precision make it essential for manufacturing microelectronic components, contributing significantly to the advancement of electronics and technology. Number 3. A snow groomer is a specialized vehicle used to maintain and prepare ski slopes and snowboard parks. Equipped with a wide, heavy blade and tracks, it levels and compacts snow to create smooth, safe surfaces for skiing and snowboarding. Snow groomers can also include features like tillers for mixing and aerating the snow, ensuring better conditions. They operate mainly at night, minimizing disruption to daytime skiers. Advanced models are equipped with GPS and terrain mapping technology for precise grooming. Essential for winter sports resorts, snow groomers enhance the skiing experience by providing consistent and enjoyable conditions on the slopes. Number 2. The CS770 cotton stripper is a high-performance, self-propelled machine designed for efficient cotton harvesting. Engineered by John Deere, it features a powerful engine and advanced technology to maximize productivity. The CS770 uses a dual-system design, stripping both cotton bolls and leaves, making it ideal for high-density fields. Its innovative features include a large grain tank, allowing for extended operation without frequent unloading, and GPS-guided precision to optimize harvesting routes. Additionally, the machine's user-friendly controls and comfortable cab enhance operator efficiency. Overall, the CS770 cotton stripper represents a significant advancement in mechanized cotton harvesting, improving yield and reducing labor costs. Number 1. The Broad 9070L is a modern grape harvester known for its efficiency and advanced technology. Designed for vineyards, it incorporates features like selective harvesting to ensure only ripe grapes are collected, minimizing waste. Its gentle handling reduces grape damage, maintaining fruit quality. The machine is equipped with a spacious cabin for operator comfort and control, integrating ergonomic design principles. The Broad 9070L is praised for its reliability in varying vineyard conditions, offering adjustable settings to suit different grape varieties and vineyard layouts, making it a preferred choice among vineyard owners and operators globally. For watching, which machine amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.